My name is Veronica Rivera, and I'm a fifth-year PhD candidate in the UC Santa Cruz Computational Media Department, where my advisor is Professor David Lee. I also collaborate with folks at the University of British Columbia and the Max Planck Institute for Software Systems. I'm excited to be sharing my dissertation research investigating the safety, security, and well-being of gig workers who find jobs through digital labor platforms such as Uber, DoorDash, Amazon Mechanical Turk, TaskRabbit, and others. Gig workers on these platforms typically face precarious working conditions, such as low pay and lack of basic worker protections. I'll speak about 3 projects I've completed to understand different aspects of safety, security, and well-being, and how platform design decisions can further perpetuate harm to workers. In my first project, we looked at the career goals of crowd workers on Amazon Mechanical Turk. These are individuals who complete small tasks online, such as taking surveys and labeling images, usually for very low pay. The work done by crowd workers is usually used to train and power artificial intelligence systems. Using surveys and interviews with workers, we found that crowd workers on Mechanical Turk want to pursue a career outside crowd work, but they struggle to make progress due to lack of career guidance, limited financial resources, and difficulty setting aside time for learning and career planning. These challenges are further compounded by the environment and structure of crowd work platforms. In my second project, we studied women gig workers' perceptions of and experiences with bias and harassment. In this work, we unpack both how women view these types of harms that they experience in their interactions with customers, as well as the factors that cause them. We interviewed 20 women gig workers across the US and Canada working on ride-sharing, food delivery, and home service platforms. We found that gig platforms contribute to women's experiences of bias and harassment, dismiss their contributions to the gig economy, and reinforce existing societal power imbalances. In doing this, we determined that gig platforms are gender agnostic. Finally, in an ongoing project, we are investigating gig workers' physical and safety strategies in going from online to offline interactions with potential clients. We surveyed 451 gig workers in the US and asked them to define what safety means to them, as well as answer a series of questions relating to their work safety practices. We will use these findings to outline threat models for online to offline safety and suggest areas where technology would and would not help. The results of my work will guide the future design and development of platforms and tools that prioritize the safety, security, and well-being of workers, and open up discussion around policy and regulation to keep this growing group of workers safe. Thank you for listening.